Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training, and this is our structural framing that we did of our level 2 in our last exercise. If you haven't started doing this, please go back to the beginning and pick up where we are. So today we've got our framing done, so now we're going to look at foundations and footings. So from the project browser, we'll look at our level 1 uh, slab and foundation drawing that was already created. So we're going to open that drawing up. And as you can see, there's not too much in here, and I'm going to go here now and I'm going to key in VV, the visibility, and then I want to go and shut off certain things. So let's go turn off our, this is curtain walls. Oops. Gosh, this curtain panels, curtain walls, mullions. I think I don't want no floor here. That's already unchecked. And the stairs. Okay, so I'm apply. Okay, and then we have nothing there basically. So now what we'll do is we'll go into our properties palette and go over here and get an underlay, use an underlay. So here we go to our underlay, and here it says none. We want to use level 1, and we want to make sure we're looking down. We're going to click apply. Okay, now that's what we're going to have. We're looking at the level above. So I'm going to just make this coarse for this practical purposes. So now we want to create our foundation walls based on this underlay. Okay, so now I want to go to my structure tab. I'm going to wall, and then here structural wall, I want to go and grab it should be a 12-inch foundation wall here. There it is. And so now I want to start right here at this point. And I want to make sure my depth is to this depth, and it's going to top of footing. So I'm going to start right here at this point. And then I want to take this up now. It's on the wrong side. I just click the space bar and it goes on the right side. So go there. Just run this guy right on around here. So this is our foundation wall. Right there. Take this right on around. Okay, to there. Okay, and we'll stop it right here. And then we'll do our little, my favorite, start end radius arc. So we want to go start end point, and again on the wrong side, point there, and there's our point right there. Okay, so now we have our foundation walls in basically, and so now we wanted to go and add some columns. So right now we don't need our underlay anymore. We can get rid of it, or some people leave it, but I'm going to say goodbye to the underlay. Where is it? Go none. Okay, so here we got our foundation wall already built in. So now let's go in and let's go add some structural columns, some concrete columns. So I'm going to go to my insert tab. There we go, concrete column square. I'm going to load that guy in. And I go to structure. And I go to column here. And now on my type browser, I'm going to use the 18 by 18 if I have one here. Yep, I'm going to go 18 by 18. And I'll make sure this depth here is top of footing as well. So let's just put them in. Snap to the center point here. There is a better way to do this, but this is just for, I don't know. But we pop these guys in. Pretty simple, folks. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Sorry. Just go here and here and here. And go there. I think that should be it. Oh my God, no, it's not. Sorry about this. Try to get these done like in real reasonable time. But okay, so now we've got that one. We've got them all in. And for this last one, let's just take this guy and rotate it 45 degrees. So there we've got our columns in. Now, what we want to do is start putting in our, okay, now let me see. These columns should be -8 again for the top. So let me select all these. Let me select, right click, select all instances. And I'll make this -8. The top offset is going to be -8 because that's where our floor is going to go. Click apply. Okay. Now we want to go in and start adding our walls here. So right now we're going to do our footing. So we'll select this isolated command right here. And then we want this to be, let's see what side, wow, 18 by, pretty big. So let's go find something to put in here. No, that's a pile cap. We want a, let's just do our walls for now. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Now let's go select it here. Okay, now it's got this warning message. So what's going to happen with that? Go to our good old view range. And I'm going to edit this. And I'm going to look and see what we need. So I want to see down. So I'm going to make this, I'm going to change this over here. Let's say -10. Just for the heck of it. See what happens. Uh-oh. This is minus, should be negative. There you go. Apply. Okay, so now there my footings coming in. So I'll just go continue this. I'll go back to my structure, slated wall. And we'll take this guy right on around, and there's our footing. And now we can go and do our isolated pads. And just select them right there. Okay, what happened there? We got a warning message. I probably got something not set in there properly. Let's see. Level of my offset is -8. No, I don't think I want that. But hey, I'm going to drop this in, guys, and leave it here. This is how it goes. I'm just copy this over. And I want to thank you all for watching. I'm going to constrain this guy. Let's copy these. So this is how you do your foundation and your footing. So I'm not going to bore you by placing these. I'll just drop a few in here. And we'll pick it up in the next video. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this every day. And everybody, please be safe. Okay. All right, folks. Bye. See you in the next video. Hope we all learned something about foundations and things. So thanks again. I'll see you next video. Bye. Be safe, y'all.